This activity list is called Everything is Awesome 3, and it is due next Wednesday, September 5th. The first thing says, read to self. This is required for 2 times for 20 minutes. Once you read to yourself for 20 minutes, you check one box. If you read to yourself another time for 20 minutes, you check the second box. Under blueprint, it says required for 15 minutes, practice. After the benchmark on Tuesday, complete the genre practice paper in the resource area. This is independent or pair, reflect when you're done. Next, I have these ordered for you already. So this is the order that you're going to do them in. This one has to be first, this one has to be second, this one has to be third. The second one says, required for 5 minutes product, get a title page heading slip from the resource area. Independent, reflect when you're done. This one says, required for 15 minutes practice, complete any unfinished pages in your blueprint. Independent or pair, reflect when you're done. This one says, required for 20 minutes, part of the product. Glue your blueprint pages onto your blueprint. Use the example to help you. Independent, reflect when you're done. Under second grade scientist, required for 25 minutes, learning activity. Using a computer, complete the Science Fusion digital lesson. Unit 10, Lesson 2, What are animal needs? This is on the CWTES website, under Students, second grade, Unit 1, Lesson 1, which is the first pink box. Then complete the note-taking guide from the resource area. This is independent or pair, reflect when you're done. Next, required for 10 minutes, a learning activity. Scan the QR code for the scientific method video. Practice using your technology responsibly as you complete this activity. Independent or pair, reflect when you're done. Next, we have a choice, 15 minutes practice. After watching the scientific method video, choose one of the activities below. Scientific method cut and paste or scientific method brain pop quiz. Independent, reflect when you're done. Next, we have, required for 10 minutes, a learning activity. Watch the Brain Pop Junior video, Science Tools. This is under Science, Be a Scientist, Science Tools. And this is what the icon looks like. Independent or pair, reflect when you're done. Next, we have choice for 15 minutes, practice activity. Complete the vocabulary, measurement tools paper in the resource area. Or post a video to Canvas account explaining 3 of the science tools you've learned about. Use the script in the resource area to help you plan what you'll say. Independent or pair, reflect when you're done. Required for 5 minutes, a learning activity. Use the sign-up sheet to sign up for a day to explore what tools scientists use. Independent, reflect when you're done. Next, we have required for 15 minutes learning. Explore the tools scientists use. This is a group project. Reflect when you're done. And last, we have the early review. Required for 5 minutes. Scan the QR code to review the tricky words on your level. Good luck this week.